How to fix slow printing in Windows. Resetting the printer can resolve some slow printing issues. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and a wall outlet. The printer turns on automatically. Print your document. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Using a USB cable that is too long or improperly shielded can affect print speed. If you are using a USB cable, disconnect it from your computer and printer. Connect a USB cable that is less than 6 feet to your printer and computer. Print your document. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Selecting certain paper types or printing in best quality can slow print speeds. Print with plain paper in normal or draft quality for faster print speeds. Select Start. Type Printers, and then select Printers and Scanners from the results. Select your printer, and then select Manage. Select Printing Preferences. Select the Paper or Paper Quality tab. In the Type, Paper Type, or Media field, select Plain Paper. In the Print Quality field, select Draft or Normal. For HP laser printers, select the Graphics tab. And then, in the Quality field, select Standard. Select OK or Apply to confirm the changes. Print your document again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Some printer models allow you to print with only one cartridge installed. Printing with only one cartridge causes slower print speed. If you are printing with only one cartridge, install the second cartridge and replace any empty cartridges. Print your document again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Remove and reinstall the print driver and software to make sure you have the latest version. Select Start. Type Add or Remove Programs, and then select it from the list. Select your printer from the list, and then select Uninstall. After uninstalling the print driver, go to 123.hp.com and then follow the instructions to download and install the latest driver. Print your document again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. If your printer is connected to a wired or wireless network, there are several tips that might resolve slow printing issues. On your computer, check the wireless signal strength by clicking the wireless connection icon in the Windows taskbar. If the signal strength is low, move the router, computer, and printer closer together. Make sure there are no additional strains on your network, such as downloading or streaming services. Depending on your bandwidth, these activities can significantly affect print speed. If the printer is connected to the network with an Ethernet cable, make sure the cable connections are secure. Restart your router by unplugging it, waiting 10 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Print your document again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Updating your printer firmware might patch a known slow printing issue. On your computer, navigate to support.hp.com/drivers and follow the prompts to get to the driver page for your printer. Download and install any firmware updates for your printer. Print your document again. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.